how do you do this program? The choice is yours. You can take each micro session and do one a day, incorporating the new skill or the new learning, or just pondering it for the rest of the day. Or you can take a series of them and listen to them in a row. Or you might choose to listen to all of it because you have one day to really focus on what you're going to do, and then you make a plan based on listening to all of them. The point is to make it flexible, make it enjoyable, make it fun. All programs need to have that so that you continue to use them long term. So use this program in whatever way works for you, knowing you can go back and utilizing the skills that resonate most with you. Have fun, enjoy the learning, and make it flexible for you. All right, you've made a powerful decision to make change. Now let's write down the 7 steps that will help you facilitate this change. Number 1, notice the specific problem area. Write down exactly what the problem is. Number 2, outline why that specific problem exists. Now this is the only time we're kind of looking in the rearview mirror, because after this, we are going to do number 3, which is set reasonable goals. Number 4, outline the plan of change. Number 5, take time to make an action plan. Write out your specific steps of exactly how you're going to accomplish that. Number 6, this one's the magic one. Set a reward. What this stops is instant gratification. This stops you from instantly rewarding with yourself with the things that used to get in your way of you achieving your goals. If you actually make a tangible reward that is going to help you by making it so juicy and exciting that you actually want that reward more than the problem you had before, then now you have something to chase. And then number 7, you're going to check your results. Check your plan and alter the plan if needed. But you're not going to do this daily. You're just going to kind of do this after you begin succeeding. So there's many pieces of literature out there that'll state that you need to do something 7 times, 30 times, maybe 90 days in a row in order to facilitate that change. You can make that decision when you're going to check in. I'd recommend no more than once a month. Once you've committed to do something, you make your action plan, you do your action plan, and then you notice how good you feel. And what you're doing with this is actually setting your intention. So if you outline this specifically, then it helps you facilitate the change that you're going to make.